Thokozani sanibonani khanya lesedi amako bana bam Ramasedi bantwana bakaThixo bana bamoya ingane zika umkhulwane umvenqane. Today ngithuna ukuthi ngizonikhumbuza ngokubaluleka kwethemba, ngizonivuselela when it comes to ukuthemba. Unyaka is coming to an end, unyaka uyaphela. Kuningi okwenzekile empilweni zethu, kuningi okwenzekile empilweni zabantu. A lot has happened. People have lost loved ones. People have lost jobs, employment. Things have gone wrong in empilweni zabantu. People have been sick. People have been ill. People have had to embark on journeys they know nothing about. People have had to take risks. People ziningi nje izinto inqumo abantu esesabhekana nazo kulonyaka. It has been one of the hardest years we've ever experienced, especially a generation year two and you know, probably the one before us. And kodwa umoya namhlanje uthi angikhuthaze ngikhumbuze abantu ukuthi without ithemba asilutho. Kuko konke sesidlule kukho, kuko konke sisazodlula kukho, ngoba kusazoba khona okuningi okusengasinetha. Zisazoba khona iy'ntaba ekufanele siyikhuphuke, sekhona imifula, sekhona iy'ngqinamba ntotse ngata seleng hore re sa tlo shebana le tsona as individuals but as well as a collective, as a race, as families, as a nation, as a continent, as the world, and most importantly as bana bamoya. Bangithi bana bamoya ke akaretsa, ke bua ka bana ba badimo, ke bua ka bana ba nang le neo, ke bua ka bana that believe in God, ka batho that believe in God. Whether twasile, whether twasanga, whether twasisiwe, whether umuntu esithunywa, whether umthandazeli, whether inyanga, umangabe umntwana womoya, umuntu wake wambathwa aba umuntu wake, wabizwa aba umuntu wake, wakhethwa. Noma ngabe sekuthiwa ukhethelwe ukukholwa, ukukhuleka, ukhethelwe ukuthemba, ukuvuselela abanye abantu, kuseseyibizwa. Whether umfundisi, whether yebo uya practicing isangoma noma not, noma uyile phehlweni, noma uyanga, noma uqedile, noma usasenalo lobizo okakazi ukuthi luyaphi. Umsebenzi mningi ngoba ubumnyama buphakeme ngamandla. Siyadinga kakhulu ukuxhumana nomdali wezinto zonke. Siyadinga kakhulu ukuxhumana nalaba basicela kuye ukuthi siyoze sibe abasebenzela ukulapha abanye ngey'ndlela ey'hlukahlukene. Bayalapha abanye, bayalapha abasendumbeni, bayalapha abanye, bayalapha ngemithi, abanye bayalapha ngewasho, abanye bayalapha ngomkhuleko, abanye bayalapha ngokucula, abanye bayalapha ngokubhala. Silapha ngokukhuluma, abanye bayalapha ngokufundisa, abanye bayalapha. Silapha sitshaliwe, sisensimini, sisey'ndaweni ey'hlukahlukene, sibiziwe, sakhethwa. Never ever, noma kungaze kube mnyama kanjani, ulahle ithemba. Asingalahleni ithemba. Asikhuthazeni abantu, ngoba abantu begula emotionally, abantu begula mentally, abantu begula spiritually, even physically.